drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson.
Good morning. Hi y'all, my name is Miranda. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are not new here, welcome back again. I missed you so much. Today we're going to be doing a beginner-friendly, injury-friendly leg day. And I'm so excited because we haven't done one of these in a while. So let's do it. Love me, love me, love me, oh baby, love me. We're going to do some OxyShred as usual. This is the OxyShred Ultra Concentration in Peach Mango. Y'all already know the deal. Use code Miranda10 to save. We didn't do an outfit check, so we're going to do one. Jacket is from Haiba, bodysuit is Old Navy, shoes are Asics. We're gonna get a good stretch in, y'all, because your girl is sore. So let's get into it. Oof. I'm so happy I can finally do these again with you guys. I haven't been able to film fitness videos or mic'd ups in so long. And I just think a lot of y'all followed me for that very reason. So I'm gonna give the people what they want. But if you've been here for a while, thank you so much. And if you're new, hi. Can't even touch my toe on that side, I'm not gonna lie to you. The shirts. Let me get a kettlebell. First thing we're gonna do, y'all, is a kettlebell RDL. These feel so good on the glutes. When we are doing these, make sure we are shoulder width apart. Kettlebell is gonna go in the middle. I'm only doing 15 pounds because yeah. We are going to focus on glutes, so we're gonna be bent at the knee and we're gonna hinge. And we're gonna do 10. Okay, also we're gonna do some leg presses. We're gonna do 4x10. And for these, I'm gonna do a wide stance to focus on glutes. Don't feel the need to go crazy and push yourself with weight. You will obviously work up to it, but for the time being, just chilling yourself, you know? Hello. We're gonna do some abductions for the side glutes. We're gonna do 3 sets by 10. So we're gonna sit all the way back so that we're not triggering our ankles to do all the work, so. And for these, make sure that you're driving out with your knees. So we're pushing out this way and we're not pushing out with our ankles. Okay, y'all, we're gonna do some walking lunges. We're gonna do 3x12 each leg. So when we're doing these, we're not gonna do weights, but we're gonna be driving down, but we're gonna be leaning forward to feel it more in the glutes. So instead of upright, we're going to be leaned a little bit forward. Okay, now we're just gonna do a little bit of cardio and then I'm gonna go stretch in the recovery room. We're gonna do like 10 minutes. We're gonna go 2.5 out of 5 incline. I just wanna say I'm very proud of you. If this year has been your year, if it has not been your year, you have gotten through it and come out on the other side. I just think this year was very transformative for a lot of people. And I just wanna say, like, whatever you are ready and willing to do in the new year, it can all be yours if you are patient with yourself. I feel like this year I've learned to be patient and understanding of everything that's being given to me, and I feel like our path's already made for us, so it's now just a matter of being patient and working hard for the things that we want. If that's a new job, whether that's getting in the gym more, whether that's prioritizing yourself more, whatever the case may be, I'm proud of you, and you're doing so well, sweetie. Okay, love you. I'll talk to you when we stretch. It's time to stretch. I think I neglected stretching for the last like year, and my body is paying for it. So I highly recommend stretching. This should not hurt. But yes, if you have stayed this long, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. It is currently bright and early. It's like 6:30 right now. But yes, if you were on your fitness journey, I just want to say I'm very proud of you, proud of everything that you are doing, and you should also be very proud of yourself, because a fitness journey is not easy, nor is it linear.
I was looking for affection, so I decided to go swinging in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if you can bring the nasty out of me. Suck it, suck it to me like you tell me to. I can take it like a pro. You know, do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I make you move slow. Suck it to me.
Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you have stayed this long, the video is over because my workout is over. I hope you guys can like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. See ya!